Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Cryptomator on Linux step by step. Cryptomator is a free and open source encryption tool that protects your files before they're stored in cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or any other cloud storage provider. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Cryptomator website. Go to the download section and choose the Linux version that best matches your distribution. Depending on your system, you may see packages such as AppImage, Flatpak, or distribution-specific installation options. Next, download your preferred package. If you're using the AppImage version, save it to your computer, then make the file executable by opening its properties, selecting the Permissions tab, and allowing it to run as a program. You can also use the chmod +x command in the terminal if you prefer. Now, double-click the AppImage file to launch Cryptomator. If you're installing through Flatpak or your Linux distribution's package manager, simply follow the installation instructions provided for your distribution. Then launch Cryptomator from your applications menu once the installation is complete. When Cryptomator opens for the first time, click Create New Vault or Add Vault to create your first encrypted vault. Choose a secure location, create a strong password, and save your settings. Remember to store your password safely, because you'll need it whenever you want to unlock your encrypted files. Finally, test your installation by unlocking the vault and adding a sample file. This confirms that Cryptomator is working correctly and ready to securely protect your files before uploading them to the cloud. And that's it. You now know how to install Cryptomator on Linux and start encrypting your files for secure cloud storage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you